different government agencies. So, karatokalan na yung hapon. So, isa na sa maayong panahon na natanan nag-participate na ng agencies na like before na siguro sa eskula, even contest.
And for our second charge, has a degree in BS in Biology, Project Development Officer 2 of DSWD for his Municipal Lake, facilitator of positive discipline in empathy, parenting, or teaching safe the children. Her advocacy is to protect women and children from abuses. Our second charge, ladies and gentlemen, Miss Jahara Joan L. Galindo. And our third judge and the chairman of the Board of Judges, ladies and gentlemen, Nurse 2 of Mabini District, TESDA, NC2 Master on Cookery. Ladies and gentlemen, our third judge and the chairman of the Board of Judges, Miss Nancy R. Hala, registered nurse. And of course, our mechanics and guidelines for our cooking contest for Interbarangay. The participants must be mandatory barangay captain accompanied with their 2 SK officials or 2 barangay council members. Deduction of points for barangay captain will be 5 points. If not, SK or barangay official deducted 2 points. Each entry shall prepare 1 stack with an ingredient based on kamote with the delicious beverages like kamote juice. The participants must prepare all their cooking materials, necessary utensils, and ingredients an hour before the contest. The entry shall be a set of plating, 3 for the judges. The use of the gas stove or any cooking appliances. Participants is given 3 hours to cook. The dish preparation will be done totally on the spot, including cutting of ingredients. If the participants bring pre-cooked ingredients, the entry shall be sectioned for deduction of 2 points. Participants should bring their own cooking materials and necessary utensils. Participants are advised to wear white t-shirt, hairnet, and apron during the competition. The judges' decision is final and irrevocable.
Sorry na mga judge. Try.
Mechanics and guidelines for cooking contest. Inter-school participants must be 2 per school. School as approved for their identification as junior high school student. Each entry shall prepare 1 snack with a kamote-based ingredient and nutritious beverages like kamote juice. The participants must prepare all their cooking materials, necessary utensils, and ingredients an hour before the contest. The entry shall prepare a set of plating, 3 for the judges. The use of butane, gas stove, or any cooking appliances are allowed. A participant is given 3 hours to cook. The dish preparation must be done totally on the spot, including cutting of ingredients. If the participants bring 3 ingredients, the entry shall be sectioned for deduction of 2 points. The participants should bring their own cooking materials and necessary utensils. Participants are advised to wear white t-shirt, hairnet, apron during the competition. The judge's decision is final and irrevocable. And lastly, Mechanics and guidelines for the interagency. The contest shall take place on Mabini Municipal Gymnasium on July 28, 1 p.m. Participants must be 2 per agency allowed in the area. And more than 2 will be deducted 5 points. Each entry shall prepare 1 snack with a kamote-based ingredient and nutritious beverage like kamote juice. The participant must prepare all the materials, necessary utensils, and ingredients before the contest. The entry shall prepare a set of plating, 3 for the judges. The use of butane, gas stove, or any cooking appliances are allowed. Participants is given 3 hours to cook. The dish preparation must be done totally on the spot, including chopping of ingredients. If the participants bring pre-cooked ingredients, the entry shall be sanctioned for the deduction of 2 points. The participants should bring their own cooking materials and necessary utensils. Participants are advised to wear white t-shirts, hairnets, and e-bra during the competition. The judge's decision is final and irrevocable. And I believe, ladies and gentlemen, across all of the categories na lang tayo natin for the criteria of judging. Palatability or taste, 50%. Presentation and cleanliness, 25%. Ease of preparation, 10%. Nutritional value, 50%. For a grand total of 100%. Asa man ang kampo sa Corgesto High School of Mabini! Asa po ang ikan sa Mabini National High School! Okay, ang grade na po sa Corgesto 97, ang grade po na po sa Mabini 96.5. Asa karon ang gikan sa Pinasa National High School! Okay, ano sa 95? Ito mayroon mo tayo. Ako doon, asa mo di kagapin na sa alma mater. Ayan. But before the first presentation of this afternoon, the contest for the TikTok, allow me to read the mechanics and guidelines for the TikTok dance contest inter-school. The contest shall take place at Mabini Municipal Gymnasium on July 28, 2025 at 1 p.m. The contest is open to all high school students in the municipality of Mabini. There should be at least 10 to 12 students per school. Participants shall make a TikTok dance with a minimum of 5 minutes and a maximum of 7 minutes. Appropriate outfits and accessories are highly encouraged. The rating must be a ranking or through a ranking system. And our criteria for judging on TikTok competition are as follows. Performance, which includes mastery of steps, timing, coordination, projection, and expression, 30%. Choreography includes creativity, artistry, and style, 13%. Concept must be related to the question, 13%. Music encompasses musicality, clarity of sounds, 10%, for a total of 100%.
Yes. Yes.
Eh, ¿cuál es la?
our winner for the Ticket Dance competition. Here are our panel of adjudicators. Starting with our judge number 1, a graduate in Bachelor of Secondary Education at North Davao College, Tagung Foundation Incorporated. He's a highly accomplished artist, choreographer, and educator with a strong foundation in the cultural and performing arts. He's currently an instructor at Paco de Oro College under the Bachelor of Culture and Arts Education Program, and a proud advocate of Filipino heritage and creativity. With numerous achievements under his belt, he has made his mark both locally and internationally. He has been the grand champion choreographer in various major festivals such as Sayaw sa Kamatagan during the Bulawan Festival and artistic director of the LGU Night Grand Champion Performance in Las Fiestas de Oro. As the founder of Trigo de la... For that song again. Go, 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 is correct? For that electrifying energy, ayan, very energetic tayo ang performance namin from Cordaso High School. But now at this juncture, ladies and gentlemen, another intermission number will be given to us by our former governor of Davao de Oro, Char. Ladies and gentlemen, let us give
Di ba?
Moving 500 ingredients.
Kamuti.
Ay, nana.
Gold for fitness.
Asawan ka, sir. Estudyante
Saan yung butang eh?
sa sir? Oo, estudyante rin,
Kaya
sir.
na ako na sana paugahan.
Ang stakeholders sa... Kasi wala yung kabat. And number 3 is... Play the fourth time.
Kuya kay Cook. Kuya kay Cook. Sa barangay, barangay. San Antonio. Ano sa pangalan nila? Kamuti doon na?
Ulit-ulit. Laman-laman. Pilit na kayo. Paapunan.
Dalilit kay Abdullah dapat ang mga signo sa niya. Dalilit, dalilit.
Ganun. Former Professor Kamuti. With no flower. Kamuti. Basta po ang effort ng baby. National High School. Ano na ako ng baby? Really strong. Sweet potato. Ay na po siya? Na-judge na ni? Na-judge na mo? Bigyan siya. Nasaan ako ang layunin? I'm here at the National High School. The greater barangay, we have barangay with the sign. Ayan. This is... Wow! Shout out.
Asa, pagdaanan ni Nang.